Don't be so nice. That's what she told me. Don't try so hard. Ain't got a chance. I've gotta go. Please, please forgive me. That's what I want anyway.
You need training like the wheels on your first bike. Niggas tried me, that's his last and his first strike. Really got it out the mud like a dirt bike. Got me high as hell, all the space, don't know what earth like. Big chopper make the earth shake. Tryna shake something like an earthquake. And I'm lit like the candles on a birth cake. Cut this paper, smoke a blunt when I first wake. Shorty wanna give me top on the first date. He want a deal on the side, gave him all shake. Told him bring a fucking scale like he lost weight. Can't wait till they free Slimmer was a long wait. Beat a little nigga ass, watch his fucking jaw break. Cause some lame niggas off, cause them niggas all fake. Cause this fucking rap coulda did this shit in one take. Niggas talking down till he put her on that duct tape. Bad bitch with me, she gon' roll it till her thumbs ache. Eat her like a lunch break, you softer than some cupcakes. Suck a small fuck snakes, I'm on that gas like fuck brakes. I just touched down like a QB when he pump fakes. Make that money flip like a cartwheel. We gon' slide like we going down a large hill. Pockets fat like that shit ate a large meal. Say you really about that life, but you aren't real. Fuck everybody, that's just how my heart feel. Drop a say like Luther Vandross. Told her he a lame, I'm a fucking damn boss. Hit it from the back, show they cream like ranch sauce. And I'm drippin' swagger, she wanna know my